Hey, what is up? This is Robin Palmer and welcome to my video dashboard review. So what is this product all about? Well, this is, in a couple of words, in a nutshell, this is a complete done-for-you solution for producing content fast and distributed through different channels. And, one of the problems when you're trying to generate content is to basically not where to start from. And as you can see, I'm going to show you here so you can have an idea of what you're going to receive here. Let's see. As you can see here, you can select through this social calendar here a video post or posts for 365 days. So that's actually pretty cool. And you can choose the platform that you want to syndicate to. So you have Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, which is, growing really fast right now. So you can tie in everything here that you produce here, or that, you can customize your videos. And all of this can be syndicated to all of these different platforms. Now, YouTube, for example, likes it when you produce content on a constant basis. They reward you for it. And I think most of these platforms work in a very similar way. Now, the problem when it comes to creating content is to where to get ideas, what to know, what is trending, and how to actually execute it. I mean, sometimes there's, a couple of hops that comes in the way for actually you creating this content. Okay, so this software will help you with that. Now, that being said, you want to stay tuned. You want to stick to the end of this video because I'm going to show you some really cool bonuses that I have prepared for you. And you can click the link below in the description for more information. Now, you can drop any comments in the comment section if you have any, and so on. So if we have a look at those done for you videos here, you can select them by day. You don't have, to use a specific video for a specific day. So basically what you do is, let's say we pick Saturday, we pick this video here. We can have a look at it. I'm just going to enable here the volume. Yeah, it's going to sound like this. So it's going to look something like this. Now you can opt to share this to these different, social media platforms, or you can choose, I'm going to stop this here. You can choose this to, edit the video if you want to. So you can, select a new title if you want to. You can enter a title, a new title here. You can, you have 3 different types of titles you can add here. The images, everything's done for you, or pre-done, so to speak. Now you can leave it as it is, or you can, use it as a template, which is pretty cool actually. Then we have the social accounts. I have added my one of my YouTube accounts, and you can, use this with different social media accounts. We have the template bank, and this is going to give you different templates, focusing on specific social media platforms because, they're made different for the videos, or the content is produced in a different way according to the social media platform. There's also a video remaker that you can actually do a couple of stuff, or a lot of stuff actually. I'm going to talk about that in just a moment. Okay. So that being said, there are a couple of upgrades here, and some of the things that I'm going to show you inside this video might be available in the upsells, but I'm going to talk about that. So stick with me a little bit more so you can see exactly what this is about. Now, so for example, if we go over to Facebook here, you can see there's different type of videos. Okay. And if we hover over the mouse, you're going to see something like this. Yeah, it's going to depend, but basically these are, templates that you can use. Now, if we go back here, if we go over to TikTok, for example, And if you're wondering how you can use TikTok to drive traffic, but you don't know how to create the videos for it, you're gonna see lots of different options here, like this one here, like this one here. So you can see the format's gonna be created for TikTok specifically. Okay. So there you go. We have you have lots of options here. If we go to the custom video section, here's, different type of call to action, top banners. These specific videos are, short videos. However, that being said, this software, this cloud-based software, has the ability for you to upload longer videos, which is some of the limitations that other software has. Okay. Then if we go over to projects here, you can see this one here that I have. This is my draft that I saved here. Then if we go to complete it, you're going to see what you've done, or you can just, start a new project. The scheduled posts here is going to be whatever you post, you want posted on different social media platforms. You just pick the video here and you can pick it from your computer, and that's basically it. We have the white label brands. This is related to the upsells. I'm going to talk about that in just a moment. The interactive videos is something else that you can post a video, you can include a link, you can, include when you want the link to appear and so on. So if we pick a video here, I'm going to pick this one. And you can just insert a title here, testing this. Just for the purpose, just for the sake of this video, you can pick an image here. I'm gonna pick this one here. And then you can have like a link URL. I'm just gonna use this one. Like this, you can add a text here. You can change the button, the color. Something like this maybe. And that's basically it. So yeah, once you have done this, you click on, you can have, this button to appear, at the end of the video or at a specific position. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave it as it is. And then automatically it's going to create a URL hosted on their server. I'm going to click on this URL so you can see how it looks like. And it's going to be something like this. I'm going to stop this video here. And if I forward this video to the end, hopefully it's going to show
Take care. Bye-bye.
A button below. Didn't know why it didn't work right now. Let's test this again. I'm gonna close this here.
Hey, what is up? This is Robin Palmer.
I'm gonna mute this, and hopefully it should, it should be a button at the bottom, or a button at the bottom of this video. But let's do this again, okay? I'm gonna click here, add position 0. I'm gonna change this here. Click here. I'm gonna do this once again. I'm gonna click on edit interactive video to see if we can make it work this time. For some reason it isn't working. Oh yeah, there it is. Actually, I thought it's going to be, the buttons was going to be below the video, but it's actually on top of the video. So that's the reason why you want to put it probably at the end of the video. So this is the button, and you click on it, and it's going to redirect you to whatever page you have set it before. So that's pretty useful if you need a page for this. It's, it's very, very fast to create. Then we have the portfolio manager. This is also something that you can create. I did something earlier here when I was testing it, and it's going to look something like this. Okay, this is a new video, and you can have, I don't know why the video is appearing here. I guess I had it unlisted, but basically this is it. They can contact you. So, lots of options here. Mobile apps. This is for, if you want to use TikTok, you have to install this on your phone. The vid remaker, I have a video that I did with this one just for testing purposes. So, you know, there's three different options here. You can repurpose the video, you can merge different videos, or you can change the speed. Okay, this is something cool. This one's, for example, if you do compilation videos, this might be, you know, useful for you. If you just, you know, want to repurpose the video, you can do that here. You just have to select the video. Actually, I did this earlier. And you can change the aspect ratio. You can have a different background, black, white, blur. Yeah, basically that's it. Or you can have it square. And then there's, you know, you can create an overlay, or you can add a watermark. So let's say you are doing, for example, compilation videos or something like that, or any other type of video. You can, you know, add watermarks to it, like this, for example. As you can see here, you can create an overlay. And I tested this video earlier, and I added this arrow here and this emoticon or emoji. But, you know, there's so many more things that you can do. You can add another frame if you want to. Lots of stuff that you can do. Okay. So if we have a look here, see if I can find my video that I just created. Here it is. So you can have an idea how it looks like.
This is Palmer, and thank you for watching my commission 24 commission hustler review.
There's lots of features here, but basically if we go back to the actual app, I'm just going to scroll down this a little bit here. One of the things that you want to do is you want to go, in my opinion, you want to go first to their training section, which is the tutorial section. Not because it is complicated, but there are some specific functions to it that you want to understand, and it's gonna be just plain simpler, easier for you if you just go through these videos here. Okay, do that first and then go through the product. I think it's a very useful, valuable software, and definitely something that I believe is gonna be of value for me. Okay, so that being said, let's talk